TELLY chef James Martin has given fans a glimpse into his idyllic countryside life in his picture-perfect rural retreat. The former Saturday Kitchen host, 49, relocated from Hampshire in 2019, yet the location of his new pad, set in acres of countryside, remains a mystery. Yet the Yorkshire foodie's home is hugely familiar to fans, particularly his kitchen, which doubles as a studio for his ITV show James Martin's Saturday Morning. Additionally, he has kept viewers up to date with renovations to the pad, which has seen him pep up the kitchen during lockdown as well as focus on horticulture. James recently uploaded a snap of a tree-lined path in his garden with the comment, "Lockdown hard work paying off." Another snap gave an insight into the vast scale of his land as he enjoyed a picnic perched on one of his rolling hills, with grassy fields all around. Previously, the green-fingered chef has teased his Instagram fans with snaps of his perfectly manicured garden, with a veg patch sign leading the way to healthy, homegrown grub he uses in his recipes. Meanwhile, Terry's an outdoor log-fired kitchen with a huge chef's table, perfect for James to entertain al fresco while whipping up a feast. Tasty sweet corn and spring onions, perhaps plucked straight from the ground, can be seen on the table alongside freshly made beef burgers. Against the backdrop of his garden's lush trees, the chef also captured the moment he pulled out a cooking bench on his paving stones to whip up an outdoor feast live on this morning. The snaps also show a greenhouse peeking out of shot, presumably housing more of James' delicious homegrown veg. A dirt track leading from the gorgeous property is the perfect spot for long country walks with his working Cocker Spaniel Cooper, who was seen making the most of a sun-soaked walk in one Instagram shot. Another shows adorable Lhasa Apso Ralph preferring to set up home indoors, snuggled up on a checked rug by his dog bed. Yet the pooch also appears to enjoy the comfort of a grey sofa in the heart of the living space, with James placing a cheeky cocktail in front of him and a straw hat on top of his head. Inside the living room, Terry's a rustic feel with wooden tables and another log fire, with a painted white surround. Proving grub that his pad is a delicious affair, James had whipped up 2 ice cream sundaes and marshmallow-topped treats placed on the wooden table. As expected, the heart of the home is James' kitchen, where he films his ITV series, Saturday Mornings with James Martin. Instagram images give a glimpse of the sleek black worktops and white cupboards, with wooden tables filled with cake. A huge gold clock takes center stage on the coffee-colored wall, with a silver oven and a matching worktop in front. As with his recipes, James adds his character into the space with trinkets including a white pig and red toy car perched on top of the appliances. The culinary whiz has been starring on ITV show This Morning during lockdown, and recently blasted no-show diners who booked a restaurant reservation but then didn't bother to show up. He said, "One of my friends had 96 people booked for lunch and only 4 turned up. So you can imagine running a business like that. It's very difficult in the hardest times. It's really difficult getting food really, let alone staff. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.